Hello everyone. Today we are going to guide you on how to create mobile policy in the CamAttendance portal. To begin with, go to Settings, click on Mobile App, then turn on the Enable Auto Check-in and add range as 300, then turn on Enable auto checkout and add range as 300. After that, turn on the Enable precision auto check out, supervisor approve leaves, supervisor approve exceptions, then turn on geofencing range, add range as 400. After that, turn on Enable OD requests, add 30 days under regularization requests, cutoff period. Then turn on WFH settings and finally click on Save and you will get notification of mobile app setting updated successfully. Now, on the top side, click on Mobile Check-in Policies, then add the name Mobile Policy 1 in Policy Description. After that, under Work from Office, turn on Allow Work from Office and in Attendance Status, select WFO. Then turn on Check-in form, check-out form. Now, under Work from Field, turn on Allow Work from Field and select Attendance Status as P. Then, turn on Create Exceptions for WFF and add exception in the exception label. After this, you can turn on or off allow check-in from any location or check-in form, check-out form. Now, under Work from Home, turn on Allow Work from Home and add WFH as Attendance Status. Then under Limit Applicable, add 2 and choose per month. Then turn on Pre-approval required and in Leave and Exception, select Leave type as Create and add Home in the exception label. After that, you can turn on or off Allow check-in from any location, check-in form, check-out form or capture GPS location as per your requirement. Then under eligibility, select all in company and departments all. Finally, click on submit. Then you will get notification of mobile policy added successfully. You can also edit the mobile check-in policy by clicking on Edit button. Then scrolling down and under Leave an Exception, click on Edit option in the front of Leave type. Then in Edit Leave type, select Yes for restrict availment during notice period. Under the Leave Policy rule, add Policy ID as WFH. Under Leave Lifecycle, add Entitled After as 1 and Period as Days. In Accrues on Select Period as Yearly. In Month, select Jan. In Day, select First. Or in Leave Credit Basis, select Fixed. And in the expiry, select as No. Under Leave Availment for max leave in a period, select quarter, and in count add 6. Lastly, click on Save and Add New Policy. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in our next tutorial video.